This video is to show how to work the assignment for atmospheric circulation students. So we have rainfall data. So before that, general circulation is a pattern of winds of large area. That means the motion of the air. But the basic concept is what is behind of the motion of the air. What is the cause of general circulation? What is the driver factors to create circulations? Basically, there are three factors or driving factors. The first one is the solar radiation. The Earth receives uneven solar radiation. That means in the tropics there is high radiation, but towards the polar it decreases. This uneven distribution of solar radiation creates temperature difference. That means high temperature in tropics and low temperature in polars. This temperature difference also it creates pressure difference. And the pressure difference also creates wind. Wind means a horizontal motion of air from high pressure to low pressure. If there is presence of pressure difference, there is motion of air, that is wind. This is the general circulation. Wind movement is general circulation. And the second driving force to create general circulation or atmospheric circulation is the shape of the Earth. That is elliptical shape of Earth. That is the Coriolis force. Coriolis force can deflect, can change the wind direction, motion. So that is circulation. The third one is the Earth is not uniform. That means 70% of the Earth is covered by water body, but the rest is land mass. So it is not uniform. Due to this, the water body and the land mass have different warming time. That means during the day, the land mass warmer than the ocean or the water body. So wind blows from high pressure to low pressure. That is from the cool ocean to the land. That's warm during the day. But during the night is the reverse. The land is cooler than the ocean. So wind is blow from high pressure to low pressure. High pressure means relative with cool. Low pressure means relative with warm. So the land is cool during night, so the wind is blow from land to ocean. In the season, during summer the land is warmer than the ocean, so wind is blow from ocean to the land. And during the winter, land is cooler than the ocean, so wind is blow from land to ocean. So this is a circulation or general circulation. So behind the general circulation creates or affects the weather and climate elements, just like rainfall, temperature. They are affected by general circulation. They created by general circulation. That's why we deal with general circulation or atmospheric circulation. So rainfall is an element of weather and climate that affected by general circulation. So our purpose is how to connect the general circulation and the rainfall variability. So rainfall brings what are the rainfall bring weather systems, how to connect with the rainfall. So the purpose of this practical video is to connect practical vision, picture. But there are theory. There is one problem. If I hear, I forget. If I see, I remember. If I do, I know. So we have to do this to know the general questions, of course. So, if this is the introduction of general question, how to work the assignment. Our assignment is rainfall variability for a particular area and connect the wind pattern at different levels. In the troposphere, there are three levels. Lower part, that is at 850 hectopascal or 925 hectopascal. This is just like as lower. Take as lower. And the middle also at 500 or 700 hectopascal. And the upper is at 200 or 300 hectopascal. So we have to see the wind pattern at these three levels, as the lower, middle, and upper. What's it look like? When the dry season, what will be the wind pattern at 850, at 700, at 200? In the same way, for the wet year, also we have to show the pattern. The second parameter is also moisture or specific humidity. What will be the moisture transport during dry at the pressure levels and during the wet and dry? So we have get something pattern. So this is the purpose of the assignment. So we begin with rainfall situation. So these are the rainfall. First, the rainfalls should be analyzed to identify the dry season and wet season. መጀመሪያ ስራችን የሬንፎልን ተጠቅመን ድራየር መቼ ነበር፣ ዌይትርስ መቼ ነበር ብለን ሴሌክት ማድረግ አለብን። ከዛ በኋላ ነው ወደ አት ዲፈረንስ ፕሬሸር ሌቨል ዊንድ ፓተርን ምን ይመስላል ብለን የምንሰራ ማለት ነው። ሶ የተሰጠን ዳታ ዴሊ ዳታ ፎር አርባ ምንጭ፣ ዲላ፣ ጂንካ፣ ይርጋ ጨፌ። So we will see for Arba Minch, for example, and you will do for Dilla and Jinka in yourself according to this tutorial. So please follow me. So since the data is in daily, we have to change into monthly and seasonal. So there is one technique to change from daily to monthly. Here is a daily. This is the date, and this is the data. So first, add columns, rows. Insert. Here is here, right here. And add second for minus, right minus. Good. Now we filter the year. So before this, you have to make sure this should be number. should be number. This should be number. Then equal sign, right here y, then select this one, then click this, then close it, then enter. These are the years. I filter the years. The same for months. Make sure this should be a number. Now equal sign, write m minus, that means m minus, select minus here, then click this one, the date, close, then enter, then double click. These are filtering the minus, Finally, we select all this. All this. So I select this. I can select Shift Control arrow. No, sorry. Shift Control arrow. Then go to Insert. Then pivot table. Then OK. These are the pivot table. So bring the year into column, into row, just like this. And the month is in the column this. And the rainfall of Arbamik is into value. In the value. Mind you, rainfall always sum. It should be sum, not average. But temperature or another is average. So make sure this should be sum. Not average. Now here to change it to Excel formats, go to design, then report layout, then show in tabular form, like this. This is the monthly. So you can copy and take it, just like. This is a month. So it is simple. This is year, and this is January. Yeah, this is a month. How to change from daily to monthly. Now our target is in the rainy season. So the rainy season for South Ethiopia, mind you, for South Ethiopia is March, April, May is the main season, or the long season, and September, October, November is the second or short season. So the rainfall pattern in Arbam or in South Ethiopia is by model. The by model means two season rainfall አላቸው። በመጀመሪያ ማም ላይ April is the peak, and the second is sun. October is a peak. Actually, for northern Ethiopia, it's one season, that is GGS. GGS means June, July, August, September. But for South Ethiopia, is different from the North Ethiopia. So I have to select the main rainy season for Do or for Arbamik. So this is select this. and the year also. Copy. These are the March, April, May rainfall for Arbanit. Now we have to sum. Precipitation is a sum, not average. So sum of total month. March, April, May. That is plus enter. Then double click to dragging. Sorry, I can delete this one. So dragging. So these are the sum of the season over the season. Now I have to select the dry condition and the wet condition over the given period. So I have to use the precipitation standardized index. Precipitation standardized index. So copy this, paste one, and you can delete this, and you can delete this also. No need. No need. No need. No need of this. These are the total. So before to identify the wet condition and dry condition, I have a formula. The formula is the total precipitation, that is P minus P mean. Divided by standard deviation. Divided by standard deviation. This is the formula for precipitation index, standardized index. Precipitation standardized index, to identify which year was dry condition, which year was wet condition. So I have to compute mean compute ማድረግ አለብኝ mean እና standard deviation. So mean equal sign, so average. So select all the total. I select enter. So this is the mean. And in similar way, the standard deviation is equal sign STD. Then select all the total enter, and this is the standard deviation. Now go to our formula. So here equal sign minus this minus mean is this one. But the mean should be closed by $, because it is constant. So I close it by dollar. What is dollar? Dollar. Then close on, then divide by standard deviation. Divide it by standard deviation. What is the standard deviation? Is here. Then standard deviation also closed by dollar because it is constant. So closed by dollar. For constant, it should be closed by dollar. Then enter. Then double click. These are the precipitation and standardized index. So to identify which one is the most dry and which one is the most weightier, we plot graph. Control. Now insert. What is this? These are the graph. So these are the most weights. The most weights are, which years are at 2018, 2010, 2005. But the most drier or droughtier also at 2008 and at 1991. So you have to select from this the most wet and the most dry. So the most wet you can take even 10 to 10, and you can take 2008. እነዚህን በመውሰድ እነዚህ ሁለት ዓመት በመውሰድ በእነዚህ ዓመት wind pattern ምን ነበር at the lower, at the middle and at the upper, and in the same way what was the specific humidity transport during the dry and during the wet. So they may have different pattern, and pattern ሊኖር አይችልም ለwet እና ለdry. Maybe if the pattern are similar, we conclude that the wind is not a factor for the rainfall variability. There is another factor ማለት ነው። ሌላ ፋክተር አለ ማለት ነው። እኩል ከመጣ ፓተርኑ እኩል ከመጣ በድራይ እና በዌት ምንድነው ምንም ኢፌክት የለውም፣ ሲግኒፊካንት ኢፌክት የለውም። ሌላ ፋክተር አለው ማለት ነው። ወይ ሲሰርፌስ ቴምፕሬቸር ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ወይ ፕሬሸር ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ወይ ደግሞ ጂኦፖቴንሻል ሃይት ሊሆን ይችላል። So you can conclude like this. So this is for the first assignment. Then next we will see how to show the pattern of wind during the dry and during the wet year. And we'll see also the specific humidity or the moisture at different levels during the dry and wet seasons. So this is for today. So you have to practice this one because you will have an assignment for other stations, and be prepare yourself. Thank you. If you have a question, you can email or you can text in group. But before, you have to create a Telegram group, and you can ask in the group. Thank you.